Hi guys, so good morning everyone. So today, ganap namin ngayon dito sa bahay is, ayan, may pamangkin. What is your name?
Two.
Name, what is your name?
10.
Austin. And how old are you?
2.
2, okay. Ayan, so, since nagtrabaho po yung kanyang mama and tatay,
Hi
so,
guys.
nandito siya ngayon sa tita niya. What is your name, your tita? Tita.
Kakak.
Tita?
Tita Kakak.
Tita Kukuk. Tita Lot.
Tita
Tita Lot. What is your name? What is my name?
Kakak.
Tita Lot. Yan.
Tita Mimi.
Tita Lot. So, anong
Tita Mimi.
Tita Mimi, Tita